Many people today are making a ton of money from YouTube. And if you also want to get in and make money from YouTube, but you are too shy to show your face and speak up in front of thousands of people, then we have a solution. To make it even better, you won't even have to make videos on your own. It is called YouTube automation. Today, many big YouTube channels are not even making their own videos. So today in this video, we will tell you what is YouTube automation and what niches are best for such kind of videos to earn money. Before going any further, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you wouldn't miss any future videos with valuable information. What is YouTube automation? Suppose you own a YouTube channel of a particular niche. The basic process of producing a YouTube video includes following steps. First, finding a topic for your video. This may involve having your own idea or through keyword research for finding the viral topics. Second, after finding a topic for your video, now you have to write a script. Third, now you need to narrate your script, or you can use voiceover softwares. After all these steps, now the main part, editing. You might need to learn the editing softwares to do that. Good thumbnail is also a very crucial part of a YouTube video. After doing all this processes, now your video is ready for the upload. This whole process seems a heavy task, right? But by using YouTube automation business model, you just have to do two things: finding a good topic for a video and uploading it on the YouTube. You can outsource all the other things. You just have to find the freelancers to do these things. You just have to go to freelancing websites and find the deals that fit your budget and requirements. On an average, a freelanced YouTube video takes about $40 to $50. But again, this number depends on your requirements. There are some pretty big YouTube channels who follow this business model. Brightside, Be Amazed, Looper, and many others like them use this process. So if you follow the process and do the proper research, you also can grow your channel pretty big and make a ton of money. So, what are some of the best niches out there for such model with good search volume and good CPM, where you do not have to reveal your face? Let's find out. Number 5. The quiz niche. It includes topics like answer the questions to know your personality or what job is best for you. This kind of videos builds the interaction with audience. It asks fun and engaging questions about you, and at the end reveals the answers, and they are very easy to produce. We can check out the channels like 1 Million Tests or Mr. Test. This channel has over 600,000 subscribers. And if we go to Social Blade, this channel makes as much as $2,000 per month, which is not bad at all, considering your production cost per video. So, you also can build this type of channel with very little effort. Number 4. Book story niche. In this type of niche, you just have to pick a trending book and make a story-type summary out of it. Again, you don't have to read the book. You just have to hire someone to write the script for you. There are channels like 1% Better, which has over 450,000 subscribers. They have posted summaries of books like Atomic Habits, Tribe of Millionaires. Another channel, Escaping Ordinary. They make book stories in graphical forms. This channel has only 8 videos, but has over 260,000 subscribers. This shows the public demand in this niche. Number 3. Luxury and finance niche. In this niche, channel like alux.com has over 3.9 million subscribers, and they post nearly every day. This channel makes nearly $27,000 a month. In fact, this number can be even bigger, considering the higher CPM in this niche. Another channel, The Richest. It has over 15 million subscribers. This only shows the demand in this niche. Number 2. Documentary niche. Pick any topic. Let it be a historical or current trending one, or let it be a biography. Break down that story in good simple words and tell it in a more engaging way. Again, you can hire professionals to do that and give that story a documentary type feel by editing. There are lots of huge channels with this niche. Here's the example. True Story Documentary Channel. This channel has over 240,000 subscribers. They post videos like the earthquakes, tornado, story of Bitcoin. Another channel called James Janney. He gained nearly 1 million subscribers in just 17 videos. This shows the potential in this niche. Number 1. Meditation niche. Just remember how many times you have searched the word meditation. Let it be for meditation music or meditation techniques. There are thousands of people are looking for good meditation videos on daily basis. You just have to find a good music with no copyrights and stock videos of nature or some kind of quaint videos, and you are good to go. Here is the channel called Nova Relaxing Music. They just use still images repetitively with some soothing music. And this channel has over 400,000 subscribers. Similar channel. Michael Seeley has over 1.5 million subscribers. If you go to Social Blade, this channel makes about $13,000 only through ad revenues. So these are some of the best niches you can use to make YouTube videos with YouTube automation business model without revealing your face. If you follow this process, then you will be able to generate the money from YouTube with literally no efforts at all. You just need to throw in some money at the start. That's it for this video. Hope you all have enjoyed the video and learned something new from it. We always come up with this kind of informative content, so make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss any future updates about making money online.